Want to get a secret edge over your coworkers? Or maybe you just want to complete reports or emails faster. I'm Joel from Excel IT, and in 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how to be more productive than all of your coworkers. The magic tool here is Microsoft's Copilot. If you're using the Edge browser, you already have free access to ChatGPT 4 AI architecture. By opening the browser and clicking on the Copilot icon in the top right, you are able to feed it information and have it assist you, just like a personal assistant. A couple of examples of this is by copying in a large email and having it summarize it for you. You can even get it to create you a draft response. Templates such as SOPs for drones or even images can be created through this tool. How much time would that save you? Let us know.